Thank you for joining Simply Cooking with Shawn. If you love food-related content, you're in the right place. So like, share, and subscribe. And when you do, click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And for all of my returning viewers and subscribers, as always, thank you so much for your continued support. In today's video, I will be preparing sirloin steak quesadilla. The items that I will be using for today's recipe are flour tortilla, sirloin steak strips, tri-colored peppers and onions, Gouda cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, seasoning salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and cooking spray. Come along and I'll show you how I get this done. The first thing that I'm going to do is to get some cheese shredded. So I already have some Gouda cheese open, so I am going to utilize what I have opened. And to save some time, if you want to use cheese that's already shredded, feel free to do so. With my cheese shredded and peppers and onions ready, I am going to get these items next to the stove and go ahead and get these sirloin steak strips into the pan. I've got the flame under the pan, so I'm going to spray it with cooking spray. And I'm going to add my steak strips to the pan. I've added these 3 seasonings to the meat: seasoned salt, garlic powder, and onion powder, as well as some black pepper. So I'm going to take my meat chopper and I am just going to chop the meat. A meat chopper is a really cool and inexpensive gadget to have in your kitchen. It makes meal prep so much easier, especially if you have non-stick cookware. It's plastic, so it will not scratch your pans and pots. So I encourage you to pick one up at your local big box store such as Walmart or Target or even the dollar store. Give it a try. You might find it very useful, as I do, in your meal prep. And I'll let this cook until it's done. The meat is ready, so I'm just gonna remove it from the pan and just put it right on the plate here. Reduce my flame a little bit. I'm gonna coat that with a little bit more cooking spray. And then I'm gonna add the peppers and onions to the pan. And I'm going to let the peppers and onions cook until they start to get a little caramelization on them. Now, the peppers are about ready, but I'm going to add about a half a tablespoon of butter. And as you can see, the vegetables are starting to caramelize. So I am going to return the meat to the pan and get it all mixed together. All right, and this part of our quesadilla prep is done. So I'm going to move this off to the side. And I've got another skillet here. And while it's heating, I'm going to spray it with cooking spray. I'm going to take one of my flour tortillas and add it to the pan. And right on top of the tortilla here, I am going to add the Gouda and sharp cheddar cheese. And you can put as much cheese on top of this as you would like. because the cheese is what's going to hold the contents inside of the quesadilla. Let the cheese start to melt. And as your cheese starts to melt, you want to add your meat. Once you've added your meat and your cheese is melted, you want to get it folded over. And you want to give it a flip. Let it get toasted on the other side. And once you got it nicely toasted, remove it from your pan and onto your cutting board. Take your knife and cut it into 3 pieces or in half, however you prefer. Get it onto your plate. Add some salsa and some sour cream to your plate, and dinner is served. This is a quick and easy recipe to prepare. So if you're looking for a quick and easy meal, I encourage you to give this a try. I will leave a list of the ingredients in the description box below. Feel free to check it out. And when you do, you might find that it is a meal that you will add to your meal rotation, especially if you are busy with the different things that life calls for and you want something quick and easy to prepare. That concludes today's video. Go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section below. And if you haven't done so already, please like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, be blessed.